So why should you choose P6 as your optional paper? Why should this be one of your options? Well, let's have a little talk about that. First of all, because it won't be boring. That's what I've said. It's very interesting, and it won't be boring. You know, when you sit in the recordings or in the lecture, at no stage should you be bored. You should find everything very interesting and very, very helpful. So it's definitely not boring. A very interesting subject. Next, because it's the only option with variety, mixture of words and numbers, so some writing, or a lot of writing actually, and a smattering of numbers to evaluate and explain what you're writing. So it's challenging, and it's also great fun. Very challenging and fun. If you like using your brain, then you'll love advanced taxation. Because you enjoyed F6, if you loved F6, then you will love P6 because you're building on your F6 knowledge. And I said you already have 40% of the knowledge, and so therefore there's only 60% to go. You're nearly halfway there if you have your F6 knowledge. So that's another reason. Because it helps you make life-changing decisions. It's relevant to the real world. So it helps you to decide whether you should get married or not. Will it save you tax if you do? Maybe that would be a life-changing decision that P6 will help you make. Talking about working out your tax, or making sure you can minimize your tax, or make sure you can defer your tax. Talking about investing money, so advice of helping you to make decisions about what investments are good for you or good for your family. Talking about, running a business, and, whether you should run it as a company or whether you should run it as a sole trader. So making life-changing decisions that will help you in the real world. So useful and relevant and challenging. Are you convinced? I hope so.